Good morning from Philippines. Today is July 9, 2026. Time is 6:59 a.m. And today's morning I was take a coffee. So I'm just sightseeing here. So at the weather today is a little bit partly cloudy, and this is the hurricane will already inside in the Philippine area of responsibility over right there. So it's straight, that is the hurricane super typhoon Bavi. But here thankfully we don't have any actually harm of hazard about so strong wind, any kind of that. It's very calm here, and we're totally safe. Still, yeah. So that part of area or city will be might going be affected of the super typhoon, but here, yeah, just for a little bit of rainy every afternoon passing by around 4 p.m. to going evening. So look at that, it's full of mess and wet, especially the soil right there. It's very wet. So yeah, everything's will be all right, and yeah, always be alert. Okay, bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my vlog, my own vlog. Bye bye.